Virgil 同 Nike 合作嘅波鞋咧，可能係每個人心目中最想擁有嘅夢幻波鞋之一。但係冇諗過我而家坐緊嘅凳同埋台，甚至乎飾櫃，甚至乎鐘，甚至乎床單、被罩同埋床，連屋企嘅裝飾畫、裝修工具，甚至乎估你唔到嘅居家地氈都可以係由 Virgil 設計出嚟咧。今次世界出名嘅宜家家居再次聯手我哋設計師 Virgil， 為大家帶嚟最新嘅 Marquee 家居系列。聽聽 Virgil 係點樣同大家講今次嘅設計理念嘅。
For one, I want to bring a sense of pride. Look at the positive side of the word hype. But when it's applied to a shoe, they're just sneakers, but they come from a halo. And so if you own them, there's a different sense of pride. I just consider myself a person that strives to be creative. I ask myself the same question before I start, and that's why. Why does this need to exist? The use of boats, it's a particular voice that I communicate with. So if we can make that same halo effect on a chair, on a credenza, on a rug, or on a display case, you have a sense of pride in it, and then you're appreciating the design. I feel that it's the best use of my time is to sort of breathe new ideas and share them. I would love to see that people adopt it. I found that a lot of people are hesitant, but just because I've made it doesn't mean it's important. Just because someone's made it doesn't mean that it's important. You can also create too.
今次孖會同大家去最新嘅廣州宜家商場帶嚟第一手嘅探店，同埋會為大家開箱今次嘅 Marquee 全系列。仲有啲咩驚喜呢？記得留意接下嚟嘅孖5推送。